Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating a beautiful glass effect on your images using Photoshop. Let's dive right in. To start, grab the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a rectangle over your image. Next, change the fill color to white and set the stroke to none. This will give your rectangle a clean and modern appearance. To give it a polished look, make sure to round the corners by adjusting the corner radius. Once that's done, head over to the Layers tab, duplicate your image layer, and drag it above the rectangle layer. Clip the duplicated image layer to the rectangle layer below it, and convert this image layer into a smart object for added flexibility. Now, let's add a nice soft touch to your effect. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and adjust the blur radius to fit your image perfectly. After that, we'll introduce some texture. Navigate to Filter, Noise, add noise and tweak the amount to your liking. This step helps to create depth in your effect. Next, we're going to enhance the look even more. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. In the gallery, navigate to Distort and select Glass. Adjust the distortion and smoothness sliders. Typically, I like to set the distortion between 11 to 13 and smoothness around 5. Feel free to experiment based on your image. To really sell this effect, select your rectangle layer, right-click, and choose Blending Options. Here, add a drop shadow and an inner glow. You can use the values I'm using or customize them to suit your style. And there you have it, a stunning glass effect that elevates your images. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing tips and tricks. Happy editing!